fine. Say, wouldn't you like to know what's going on my mind? So let me get right to the point. I don't pop my cork for every guy I see. A big spender. Spend a little time with me.
Girl, I ain't spending that shit. This ain't mine, girl, I'm renting that whip. And if you out for the money, then I'm sorry, little honey, cause I ain't your maid, better end that shit. Oh, you need that cash? Go ask your dad. Heard he got them racks, 30K in a mattress. Met this bad bitch who heard I was rapping, found out I was broke, and disappeared like magic.
Oh my god.
Newsflash, they don't want you, they want a new jacket. It's a brand new shoes, that's 2 stacks. And if you don't got the cash, watch you move fast. Out of that door, out of your life, left for the checks, and that don't sound right. Having sex on a jet, new man got bread, and she ain't coming back, but that's a round trip flight. And sorry if it's all new to you, cause I don't really mean to confuse you dudes, but some girls see a man with a couple of bands and give him brain for some change like a 2 to 2. I call them gold diggers, I don't roll with them. Making money with a body, that's a whole figure. You could buy her a drink, ain't going home with her, cause she leaving for the dude who got the chrome spinners. Damn.
Good looking, so refined. Say, wouldn't you like to know what's going on my mind? So let me get right to the point. I don't pop my cork for